Hi, my name's John. Welcome to my shop, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to my first video. You're going to have to bear with me with the whole recording and lights and video mess in my workshop in general. I just wanted to bring you along the ride with a project I'm working on, which is a BMW R1100RS 1999. I've done a bit of work on her already and I just wanted to bring you up to speed and show you what I've got planned today. I've done a bit of work already stripping her back, so I've removed the fairing, a lot of the electrics that go along with the fairing, the battery, the airbox and filter, the exhaust, fuel tank, and there is still a lot of the wiring and this spaghetti over here, and a lot of work to go. So today I wanted to, this is the battery box and the ABS box. So I've deleted the ABS to link the calipers directly with the master cylinder. So I want to cut down this ABS box and battery box to be able to make more room for a new fuel tank to mount. There's a new fuel tank over there. Let me just pause you a second and I'll put it on the bike so you can have a look at what we're planning. This is just resting on the battery box at the moment, so what I'd like to do is cut down the battery box so the tank can drop lower at the back. The mounting points, the original mounting points for the fuel tank are here. They need to be moved, and the idea at this stage, and things do change as things change, is to use the original BMW seat, shape it down a bit more and have it sit in there, cut the tail off so that it's shorter and remove all the pinion pegs and that kind of thing. And yeah, so today's plan, see if we can mount the fuel tank up a bit better and go from there. Okay, so the plan today is to chop this down here. Underneath here there's a connector that connects the throttle to the two throttle bodies on the carburetors. So I wanted to keep the bolt holes to be able to hold this down. So I'm going to, in place, just trim it off. That's going to save me disconnecting all of the wiring and all of that jazz. So just going to be careful not to cut anything. Safety squints on, and I'm sure there's other PPE I need. Okay, so that's with the tank sitting on a crowbar here, so it's just resting on the crowbar with that plates there now. Plenty of room under here for the fuel tank. So we've just got the seat sitting on there. It's looking quite good. Okay, now I've kind of mocked up what I was thinking of. I think this line here, where this line follows through to the seat, I like the look of that. The riding position's comfortable enough. There's plenty of room underneath here to get the battery. Well, the battery will probably go in here. Might need to get a smaller battery, but the fuel pump, etc., to go under here. There won't be a piece of wood there. That's just so that I can mock it up. Okay, next, I think what I'll have to do is remove some of these mounting points and lock up where I'm going to have to put a mount for the back of the fuel tank here. Okay, that's with the front of the tank mounted up and the back's just wedged up. So the seat's wedged up there. I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep the seat, but for now it doesn't look too bad. Okay, so the fuel tank is just wedged up there again. I would guess the cafe racer style to do this would be to lift up much higher. But I kind of like the line that it gets with that more laid back look. So next up I need to make a mount for the bottom of the tank, hold the bottom in place to secure that. Okay, so first thing, we're just going to knock the welds off of this and get that. So I've captured the nuts here and bolted that down. That's pretty secure. Okay, that's the fuel tank mounted up. So nice and secure on there. Until next time, I'd like to get the exhaust on, get the fuel pump on, some electrics done so that I can get it started, see how she sounds with the new exhaust, get the seat mounted. So until next episode, if you liked what I did, hit the like button. If you didn't, you know what to do. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to be notified when I upload next time. And until next time, see you later.